Birds of a feather flock together. Adapted from an old Indian story. A lioness raises an abandoned fox cub as her own son, along with her lion cub. But as the cubs grow, the lioness sees there is a big difference between her two sons and gives the fox cub a warning. One day, in a deep, dark jungle, a lion and lioness were resting in their cave. "I'm feeling hungry," the lioness said. "Can you find us something to eat, please?" "Okay," the lion sighed. "I'll go see what I can find." He walked around the forest, but couldn't find anything to eat at all. There were no rabbits, hares, zebras, bison, or deer around. Dejected, he decided to return home. But then he heard something howling in a low voice. "Ow! Ow!" The lion went to see what animal it was. It turned out to be a very small and scared fox cub. His parents were nowhere around.